Tired of paying huge shipping fees on eBay? I feel you. You find the perfect item, a great price, and then you get to checkout and the shipping cost is more than the thing itself. It hurts. But here's the good news. You can totally avoid that. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use eBay's built-in search tools to find items you can pick up locally. You'll save money and get your stuff way faster. Let's get started. So, first things first, open up your browser and head on over to ebay.com. Just your regular eBay homepage, nothing fancy yet. This is where we always start. Now, go ahead and type in whatever you're looking for. Maybe it's a bulky desk, a heavy exercise bike, or a big set of bookshelves, something you just don't want to pay to have shipped. Enter your search term, but don't hit that search button just yet. We've got a little setup to do first. All right, here's the trick. Look over on the right side of the search bar, and you'll see a link that says Advanced. Click on that. This is where eBay hides all the really useful stuff. I've used this feature a ton of times, and it's the key to unlocking local pickup. This is the part that changes everything. Once you click Advanced, you'll land on a new page with a lot of different fields and options. Don't let it overwhelm you. We only care about one section today. Go ahead and scroll down the page. Keep going past all the keywords and the condition options until you find a heading that says Shipping Options. And here's the really important part. Right there under Shipping Options, there's a checkbox that says Local Pickup. Check that box. That single click is what tells eBay, hey, only show me stuff I can go get myself. It's that simple. Once you've checked that box, just click the big blue search button. This might take a moment to process, but it's working its magic. eBay is now filtering out every listing that requires shipping and only showing you items where the seller has offered local pickup. Now for the fun part. Browse your results. These are all items that someone in your area is selling, and you can go pick them up in person. You get to see the item before you hand over your money, you don't pay a dime for shipping, and you get it instantly. I've found some incredible deals this way, especially on furniture and electronics. In my experience, sellers are often more willing to negotiate on price too, since they don't have to worry about packing and shipping. And that's really all there is to it. You've just unlocked a whole new way to shop on eBay. No more outrageous shipping costs. No more waiting by the door for a package. Just you, the item, and maybe a quick drive across town. So go ahead, give it a try on your next purchase. If this helped you out, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more practical tips. Thanks for watching, and happy hunting.